Hi, it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and I want to talk a little bit about what's happened to home prices in the Denver market in July. You probably saw some headlines that we were up by more than 10% for the average home price, and that we set an all-time record where the average home price in Denver was over $600,000. So the media didn't do a very good job of explaining the true reasons behind that increase in price. So I want to try to provide some backstory for you so you better appreciate what's going on. So you can take a look at this chart and you can see it's not just Denver, it's nationwide. The orange line shows the median price of a home across the whole US for this year, and then you can see the other two lines provide 2018 and 2019, and you can see our home prices are higher, and that recently the gap from the prior years has grown by quite a bit. So the reason for this is that we have a real scarcity of entry-level product, and we have a mix change in what's selling in the market. So I'll try to illustrate that for you. Let's pretend that you own a car dealership and you sell entry-level cars for 20 grand and you sell luxury cars for 40 grand, and those are the only two models that you sell. And in a typical month you sell an equal number of both type of car. So the average price for your dealership is $30,000. Next month, there's some supply problem and only luxury cars will arrive. There's nothing on the entry side for you to sell at all. So your average sales price is $40,000 this month at your dealership. The average price went from 30 to 40, which is like a 35% increase overnight. But the price of the cars did not change at all. The mix of the type of car that you sold is the only thing that changed. And this is exactly what happened in the Denver market in July. We had a lot less entry-level product that was available to sell. We had a very strong market for luxury homes selling at a brisk rate, and that shift in the mix of what we sold led to the average price getting above $600,000. My estimate of what's going to happen is these people who are not currently selling their entry-level homes are going to want to do so as soon as the economy is stable, they feel secure in their job, and they feel like they're not taking a great risk by trading up. That's probably going to happen in February or March of next year. It's not going to likely happen before that. But when it does, you're going to see just the normal crop of 2021 spring sellers for the entry level, plus all the people who didn't get to sell this year. So this mix issue is going to go the exact opposite direction. We'll probably sell a lot of entry level product next year, and the amount of luxury product next year may be smaller than it is now, because the people who can take advantage of the luxury home purchases when the interest rates are at record lows are doing so. There may not be enough luxury buyers next year. You could see next February or March that the average home price in Denver is less in 2021 than it was in 2020. And the media will tell you the world's coming to an end and the sky is falling and we're all going to die, and none of that will be true. It'll just be the mix of what we sold that has changed.